You've seen exhibition counters before, but this counter can do so much more. This is a counter that you can create within minutes without tools. Use as a permanent counter or reassemble in different locations. It's strong enough to hold products. What's more, that convenience doesn't come at the cost of customization. Not only can you choose the shape of your ISObar, you can choose rigid graphics or seamless fabric for your artwork. You can choose the color of your countertop. You can even choose optional LED lighting to add a backlit or frontlit wow effect. Expect to be surprised. Enter ISOframe ISObar. This is intelligent exhibiting.